Okay, where I'm at. Just need a quick puff, sorry. Oh, a shepherd's delight, yar. Okay, right. We're in bits so far now, we're nearly there. Okay. That comes off the top. Like that. There, go the spit guard is. Yeah. And you can see the state of the coil in there. The actual coil is actually fine. It's the wick itself has just turned to shit and all gatted up. Yeah. So you've got to then separate this. Yeah. Pretty simple to do actually when you separate it. Quite easy. So it can be done. You need something round and thin, and you've got to put it through here. Yeah. Then get your pliers and put it there, like that, and grip it. And when you put your thin round piece of this is just a piece of my coil making kit, through there, you have to twist it and turn it. Doesn't matter if you can turn it left or right, doesn't matter. And then when you've done that, it will come apart. Okay? You'll see? Like so. Yeah. Right, so this is where I'm at now at the minute. So it looks like we can rebuild this. Yeah? Oh, here we go, that's come out. God, that's full of crap in there, full of crap. That now comes out. Rubber seal insulator. Right. Now here's our coil. So take it, yeah, one's going to be jammed, one leg's jammed behind that rubber bit there, and the other piece of it isn't here. Still the same, old school, isn't it, eh? Got as bad as the pens, we used to take them apart, tiny little things in there like that. That used to drive me nuts. Trying to get a bit more wick out of it to last a bit longer. So there we go, right. Now let's have a look at what our coil is like in there. So there we go. Oh my god. State of that. I don't know if you can see the state of it. Ugh. Absolutely disgusting. So yeah, we'll be able to rebuild this, people, and it'll save you some money. So what we've got to do is copy how long that is with your wire. How many wires have we got? One. I can't see it so bad, my eyesight. I'm blind, you see, in one eye. Blind on one side, deaf on one fucking side. I'm much deaf, yeah, fucking much deaf. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5 winds. 5 winds for this. And God, state of that, that's disgusting. There's the wind is tasting a bit burnt, yeah. State of it. Yeah. Here's our coil. All gated up. The actual coil is actually in good nick still. It's still going well. There's nothing wrong with the actual coil, I don't think. It's just the wick's in a sorry state. I used to do this with the old pens when I had them back from Liberty Flights back in the time when I first started vaping years ago. I used to take them apart and move the wick a bit over where it's burnt and just get a little bit more out of it. God, tiny little things. I'm glad I'm not back there. I'd rather have my drippers, I know I think, guys, now, to be honest. But I'm just doing a proving point that you can rebuild these, you can take them apart. It's good to have the patience and just know how to take it apart, that's all. Without naffing it up. So there we go. There's the coil. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winds. So I can either now pull that apart and see how long that wire is and match it up with some of my own, and then cut the same length and then copy the 5 winds, or clean this up and just put a new fresh bit of wick in it and put it back. Let's give it a wipe, shall we, see how bad it is. Well, it really is stinking, isn't it? It really is stinking. But for them peeps that really are on a tight budget, because I'm the same, I'm on a tight budget. Beg, borrow, steal, as they say. Give it a wipe up. A lot of juice is cagged on the end on there. But it's cleaning up. I've got some new good wire, so I'm just going to put some new fresh wire into what I'm going to do. So, as you can see, there it is, look, coil. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 winds. That's all we've got to do. Fresh bit of wick. Put it all back together. And Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. And you're away again, peeps. That's simple pimples. Yeah. And it'll be running sweet as a nut again. Sweet as a nut. Yeah. So, there we go. Right. There, stick the kettle on another cup, I think, and I. Try size. Oh, that's so much better. Remember I put a new coil in, yeah? The new one. So I can taste my shepherd's delight a lot better. Oh yeah. Oh, bloody handsome. Oh yeah. That's dang good. Oh dearie me, right. Yeah, we're not too well. I went to the doctors the other day. Just give me some antibiotics. I was not too well, like I said, peeps. Got lung infection, bloody pneumonia I've got again. I had it once about 2-3 years back. I had a lot of problems and shit going on being on the street, and I got the pneumonia and didn't shake it, so it keeps wanting to come back and bite me in the ass, peeps. It's not a well person, I tells thee, no, but I do my best. Right, so there we goes. There it all is. I'll put it in order for you so you can see how it goes, like that. Det to det. That bit for there like that. That to that, that to that. And that's how it goes, yeah. Obviously our coil goes in there, as we know, with the wick. And that's all we've got to do, peeps. And we've got a new one, so state of it. Oh, it's stinking, isn't it, eh? So, oh, that's good. That is so good. Oh, just needs a bit of homemade custard. My mother used to make, pour one on top of them. Oh, that's handsome. So there we go. It comes apart, peeps. The I sub G coil for this, and you can take it apart. You can rebuild it, and there you goes. So I will love you, leave you. Probably running out of phone memory, and I will rebuild it and show me rebuilding it and fire it up again, as they say. Right, there we go. Pretty. Laters.